You're outnumbered. She outnumbered. I'll go two green, two orange, missy. Eh? I'll go two, yeah. Yeah, I'll go two, when we lose later. We say, we're going to have when we lose later. One orange stand out in the green. All green. Right? Yeah, this made me the vote. Yeah, no color to me. Undecided. Yeah, no vote to me. Right? No vote to me. Undecided.
Reaching out to all the people out there, okay? What do you say?
One of them shit here. You mad?
No, son. I will worse than them time they were going.
You must be mad. Yeah, they watch them. No, man. What's that? You want your nearly orange like him father. So him say. Them crazy. Nikai!
What color you be? Your ear?
Eh? Me? Blue. Yeah. Come look out here. Come. Look there. Nikai say my green.
Nikai, what color you have?
Green!
No, come back to the house.
No, that was on.
No, come back to the house.
Human green. Green means fire. Dream with the fire.
We alone stand. Shoot them like Marley and Darling. Let's call it. Me nah left no man from the body. No Marley. Brothers them right up like the sun in the morning. Me got a call. No Marley. Me Marley. The it can run out like a Marley. They come foot like Chapali. A Marley. Let it slow perform because we are Marley. run no jump or a criminal pass. Well, I'm ready to make a cheer in rock star. The pussy wall shot boy with the pussy car. Run no jump or a criminal pass. And I done China, US, USSR. The pussy wall shot boy with the pussy car. Me gun them as a killer, cause I blood them free. So me flood them kill, I flood them free. You make me then drop them 500 kill. Now it's funny cause we love make me. Rock on the neck like a diamond chain. You know some pop like the fly champagne. Who the eyes are tear, not a fly pumpkin. I got me a neck like campaign. Some rifle with night stacking. Black shot faster than the blue light party. On them up close me. That's the sound. Everybody lying on the ground all around.
You know. Oh, what that boy, man.
On the past when man now kill people. Now they get on it and get too evil. Them little youth a bust it up without reason.
Get some Arnold. Ring the bell. Ding, 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 ding.
Call it.
Andrew Ollie.
You know what TV?
No, no, yet.
But I don't have 9 o'clock.
And 9 o'clock in our ear. Rihanna.
When them feel like we got that, them things will start.
I tell you, we come late. Watch out! Alright. That's it. I'm not there. When you cry,
Come now, yeah.
just gone easy way. Very much. Hey, try. Oh, when you try him, just last himself. What become? Come out that road, Kai. Come out that road. So yes guys, it's official. The JLP has won the election and they want what 13 seat to 50 odd seat. Yeah, the PMP win back 13 seats. JLP win back 50 odd seats. Like I said before, I was undecided. I didn't really know who to vote for because I'm both of them not saying anything. To me it's just promises, promises, and I didn't feel like it because I didn't feel like there was any surety to none of the parties right now. So I just didn't vote. But I hope that everything work out with the renewal of Andrew Onis, and I hope things will get better for the country. And not that I thought he was really doing a bad job, but you know, some things can be better. Yeah, so it's another term for the Prime Minister, the Honorable Andrew Onis. So yeah, bye guys.